How to transfer files from Android to iPhone using SHAREit. Download and install SHAREit on Android phone and on iPhone. Go to SHAREit on Android phone, then click on Send, and then select the videos, pictures files to send. Then click Next. Go to SHAREit on iPhone, then click on Receive. Note: add only the permission this app needs. On Android phone, click on Connect to iOS. Nextly, a hotspot will be created on your Android phone. Then click Continue. On iPhone, click on Connect to Android. Then scan the QR code displayed on your Android phone. And then click on Join. When your devices are connected, start sending more files. You can send videos files from iPhone to Android by click on the Send.